a Chromebook. And that's the model. And this Chromebook came back in February of 2016, making this Chromebook 10 years old. What do you think is going to happen to this Chromebook? We're going to be installing Windows XP. Now, in order to do that, we're going to have to somehow flash Windows XP onto this USB and shove it into this Chromebook. The other problem with this Chromebook is that this one has an Intel Celeron 3060, which Intel Celerons suck. This thing only has 4 gigabytes of usable RAM, which is soldered and DDR3, and this thing has 16 gigabytes of eMMC storage, which basically that is soldered storage onto this laptop, which means you cannot add in more or less storage. Now that I think about it, I don't know why you want to have less storage on this thing, but you can't add more. So we have to find a very slim Windows XP ISO in order to flash into this kind of computer. Okay, so I have a USB plugged in and I did everything I needed to do to set every single thing up to get Windows XP working. Okay, this isn't running natively, but this is running in a virtual machine or whatever, but we're gonna start it. I actually didn't expect it to show Dell. This is an Asus, not a Dell. Maybe that's how the virtual machine runs, I guess, but we'll have to see if this Windows installation is good. We have that, and we're logged in. So we have to, in the guide it tells us we have to click on Scratch User, and then IT, and then click Enter. I will sign in with this user. Okay. Welcome to your new Windows XP. Please click Skip to view your default application. You can change them and say blah blah blah. Okay, we don't need that. So we have a few apps. You know, let's start with Word. Under maintenance, check again soon. How about we don't? Is this like a permanent problem? Wow. Are we connected to the internet? No, the taskbar doesn't do anything. Does Chrome do anything? I want to go on the internet. Oh, it's not available. What? Oh, we're not connected. How do we get connected? Is there a way to get connected? Can you switch users? No. Wow, these don't do anything. What about code generator? What did that do? How about change background? Oh, okay. Oh, fine. We can only select it to that, but what if we click on change background again? Can we change this? Or do we have to use arrows? No. Arrows don't work. I can't. Oh, there we go. I change it to this car. I like cars. Yeah, that's more like it. But I think I had enough with this Windows installation. I want to shut down. Oh. Well, that Windows XP installation was a failure. You know what? I think that would just be enough for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry that we didn't actually install Windows XP on this computer. It's just I don't have any exploits I can use to actually install it. So that was just my way of making a virtual machine. But I guess, yeah, that's it for here. Have a good day. Goodbye. I'll see you another time.